everyone, Lori Marie here, mixed media artist in Vallejo, California. Thank you in advance for viewing this Patreon platform with me. I have been on YouTube for about 1.5 years. I have thoroughly enjoyed offering my videos and sharing my experience, strength, and hope with you in the art world. I am for inspiration only. So I've had quite a few people approach me and ask me to teach some online classes. What I love about YouTube is it's affordable for everyone. So now it's time to bump it up a little bit. So what are you going to get here on Patreon? For 10 bucks a month, that would be 2 delicious coffee drinks at a Starbucks. You will get an image of the project that we're doing and also step-by-step instructions that I will send in a PDF to you so that you can have those in your file. Maybe start like a 3-ring notebook or something like that. So you will have the companion video and you will have a picture of the project as I am inspiring it and also step-by-step instructions. So I think that's a pretty good deal for 10 bucks a month. I mean, I would be willing to give up 2 coffee drinks. That's just me. So we play a lot, and yeah, as usual, I hope to see you on the table.